Welcome to You Kids World.
Today we're making cotton candy. Let's introduce the guest, Anisha. We need sugar and food coloring if you want to make it look colorful, and a plastic bag, and sugar. It is sugar. It is sugar. We need a cotton candy machine. I'm going to use blue and green. And I'm going to use red. First you add sugar into a plastic bag. All of it, okay, Anisha? All of it. Drop 1 or 2 drops of your food colors. And close the plastic bag. Close it, okay? And mix it like this. And mix it like this. Ta-da! Mine is Diane. Mine is green spoon. Mine is red. It's like a pirate. We'll put this in an exactly center. It's coming. My cotton candy is coming. Wow, look, it's coming out as the color. I'm jealous of the cotton candy. I'm jealous because I want to do it. Welcome to Cotton Candy Land.
Yumi got sugar delay. Very cute.
I need help rolling, guys. Help. I can help. Yeah, roll when I'm not holding. Now, when you're too tired, you roll. Okay, I think you'll need one more scoop. If you don't have cone like this, then you can use a paper cone like we have. Oh my god. Ta-da! Mine is so big. I have greenish blue. And I have pink. I have bright green.
And who made the biggest?
Me.
Whoa.
I'm making. Yay.
Yuna, do you want to make bigger?
Yes. Yeah, me too. Daddy, do you want to like?
Yes, thank you.
Taste, Elisha, taste. Yumi, taste. Taste.
How it tastes like?
Good. Oh my taste, Dad. Should we share? See you on my birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear